Last topic of this chapter is decline of the Mauryan Empire. Now we will discuss what are the different incidents which actually lead to the destruction or decline of the Mauryan Empire. Ashoka's death in 232 BCE marked the beginning of the decline of the Mauryan Empire. So when the Mauryan Empire started declining, it started declining when Ashoka died in the year 232 BCE. There were many reasons for it. Ashoka's successors were weak and inefficient. So after the Ashokas, his successors were very weak and they were not able to run their empire as good as compared to Ashoka. The empire was too vast and it was not easy to control the far-flung territories. So as the Ashokan or the Mauryan Empire was very vast or very large, it was not possible to control these huge areas. So this is one of the main reason why the Mauryan Empire declined. In the absence of this strong central authority, the provincial viceroy declared themselves independent. So as there was no strong central authority, that means no strong ruler, the provincial, that means the state viceroys, they declared themselves independent. That means they are no longer under the Mauryan Empire. The expense of maintaining a large standing army and an elaborate administrative system was a heavy drain on the state treasury. So as the standing army was large and there was an elaborate or a huge administrative system, so it was not at all possible to run these standing army and the administrative system with a proper amount of money. So in order to expense or in order to maintain these, that means the standing army and the administrative system, a huge amount of money was, or you can say a huge amount of coins or khazana was drained from the state treasury. The last Mughal ruler, that is Brihadrata, was killed by Pushyamitra Sunga, the founder of the Sunga dynasty. So the last Mauryan ruler is Brihadrata, remember it, and he was killed by Pushyamitra Sunga and he was the founder of the Sunga dynasty. Thus ended a long and glorious chapter in the history of ancient India. So with the defeat by the defeating the Brihadrata, when the Brihadrata defeated by Pushyamitra Sangha, finally these incidents lead to the end of this long and glorious you can say rule in the history of our ancient India. So with this we end the chapter.